siasa nenko siasa sawa subati nenko
Yes.
ogo chigotebi musubati soka egente getangani akogotebi gaki nimbuate chinguru chiokoramu nimbuate chinguru chiokoirwe biara. So egente kenene nkeringa aba there is male chauvinism.
Yes.
Kurunga taasubi.
Exactly. So there is that mentality ya gusi erenga musubati takunyara kugamba. Lakini from where I sit, I think it's an awkward mentality in the 21st century.
Yeah,
because oisokoligereri nonyechi community chiri that were perceived kolikorra omusubati buno mwana already they've elected women and not nomination on elective seats. Oisokoligereri bunabono Samburu omusubati lesuda.
Yeah, lesuda.
Naturally. We all know nga Samburu neronja bwata mangana culture and all that. Ogende Nandi musubati naro cholire kororo. And they are doing marvelously well. So again tekenenen keringa bunabono gusiya ito abasubati bado ntobwa babolingo soka guchikiruge keiga nabonda irwe biara mono, which is true because from experience I've seen it all. I've been told ayago chana yakogenda, but this resilience, the commitment, the focus on what personally I want to achieve has really made me move forward. Yes.